ओके बच्चों, तो लास्ट क्लास में लोग डिस्कस किए थे थर्ड एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ कोहलास लॉ, दैट इज द कैलकुलेशन ऑफ डिसोसिएशन कांस्टेंट ऑफ वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट। ठीक है, तो तीनों एप्लीकेशन हम लोग डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। अब एक अच्छा सा न्यूमेरिकल देखते हैं हम लोग इसके पहले। एक न्यूमेरिकल है यहाँ पे, द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ 0.01 m एसिटिक एसिड सॉल्यूशन when measured in a conductivity cell of cell constant 0.366 centimeter inverse is found to be 2220 ohm. Calculate degree of dissociation of acetic acid at this concentration. Also find dissociation constant of acetic acid. Given that limiting ionic conductivity of X plus ion 349.1 ohm inverse centimeter square per mole and limiting ionic conductivity of acetate ion 40.9 ohm inverse centimeter square per mole respectively. तो इस क्वेश्चन में बेटा देखो, we have a conductivity cell, यहाँ एक conductivity cell है. In this conductivity cell we have एसिटिक एसिड सॉल्यूशन ऑफ कंसेंट्रेशन 0.01 मोल पर लीटर. अब तो C इक्वल टू क्या हो गया, 0.01 मोल पर लीटर. सेल कांस्टेंट दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में, कितना दिया है, 0.366 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स यहाँ पे. और क्या दिया हुआ है, रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ दिस सॉल्यूशन 2220 ओम. वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन, दैट इज अल्फा, एंड डिसोसिएशन कांस्टेंट K और K. See, according to Kohl's law, the limiting molar conductivity of acetic acid will be sum of the limiting ionic conductivity of acetate ion and H plus ion, that is 40.9 plus 349.1 equal to 390 ohm inverse centimeter square per mole. Okay, so now we have to calculate degree of dissociation. For calculation of degree of dissociation, we should know the value of lambda m at that concentration. How can we calculate lambda m? For the calculations of lambda m, you know, lambda m can be calculated by using the formula lambda m equal to kappa into 1000 by C. Okay, kappa will be in ohm inverse centimeter inverse into 1000 divided by concentration of solution in mole per liter. C is known, but kappa is not known. So we have to first calculate the value of kappa. Kappa means conductivity. How can we calculate the value of conductivity? See, kappa equal to, you know, 1 by R into L by T. 1 by R. Resistance is known. L by A is 0.366 divided by R, 2220. So it is conductivity, right? And the unit will be ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Now ऊपर वाला मिटा देते हैं. अब देखो बच्चों, ऐसा है कि हमको कप्पा तो निकल गया. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द मोलर कंडक्टिविटी. सो मोलर कंडक्टिविटी, दैट इज lambda m at any concentration C. Concentration is 0.01 mole per liter. Kappa into 1000. So kappa into 1000. Kappa is 0.366 divided by 2220 into 1000 divided by concentration of solution is 0.0, 0.1 or 0.0, 0.0. So it will be equal to how much? If you multiply it by, it will become 366, I think, and it will be equal to 22.2, right? 0.1 से multiply करें, and since kappa is in ohm inverse centimeter inverse, concentration is in mole per liter, therefore its unit will be ohm inverse centimeter square per mole. Right. Now alpha, degree of dissociation, equal to lambda m by lambda m naught. Lambda m is how much? 366 divided by 22.2. And lambda m naught, you have already calculated, 390. So it will be equal to how much? 366 divided by 22.2 into 390. So this value will be, I think, if you divide 366 divided by 22.2, now it is divided by 390. Okay. So this value will be 4.23 into 10 to the power minus 2. 4.23 into 10 to the power minus 2. This is the value of degree of dissociation, or you may write it 0.0423. There will be no unit of the degree of dissociation. Degree of dissociation का कोई unit नहीं होगा. Now we have to calculate what? Dissociation constant. You know, acetic acid is a weak monobasic acid. It will weakly ionize into acetate ion and H+. So dissociation constant Ka for acetic acid will be C alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha. Means C is 0.01, that is 10 to the power minus 2 into alpha square 4.23 into 10 to the power minus 2 का whole square divided by 1 minus alpha, means 1 minus 0.0423. Okay, so now we have to solve it. It will be equal to how much? 4.23 multiplied by 4.23. 1.789 into 10 to the power 1. This into 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 1 minus 0.0423. That is equal to 9.577 into 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 1. So if you solve it, it will be equal to how much? 1.789 divided by 9.577, right? That will be 1.868 into 10 to the power minus 1. And from this 10 to the power minus 1, so 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power minus 4, 10 to the power minus 4. So it is equal to 1.868 into 10 to the power minus 5. This will be the value of dissociation constant of acetic acid. Okay, so you can solve this problem, and in next class we will see the galvanic cell or electrochemical cell.